Yeah, imo stay to use this day wise. But this economy, no they smile. Jobs done, scarce pass, fuel for NNPC station, but hustle still they pay. If you get N20K to N100K, no, just sit down, they complain, oh, make I show you smart ways, way people for Owerri, Olu and Okigwe done, they use blow. For Owerri Junction or IMSU side, puff puff and egg roll they move fire. With N20K, you fit start small. Flour, oil, frying pan, and your sweet hand. Na food business, no they fail. People must chop every day. For Ekionua Market or Douglas Road, people they queue tire for cash. Set up small post stand, one table, one umbrella, one smile. Before you talk, how far? N100 here, N200 there. You go add up steady. For village side like Mbaitoli or Gorokpala, way light, they play hide and seek. Just use small generator or solar panel charge phones N100 each. As people, they plug, you they cash out. Simple as that. Emo girls like fine clothes, boys like fine sneakers. Na tutok, buo okrika, bale, or tata thrift shoes from Lagos or Aba. Sell for WhatsApp, Instagram, or even along Tetlo Road. Na shop packaging, go sell past grandma. Forget say job no day. Your phone fit be your office. Learn small graphics, TikTok, video, editing, or social media page setup. Some emo youths they earn dollars from Fiverr, Upwork, and local business gigs. No they wait government. Upgrade yourself, cash, go follow. My emo people, hustle no be shame. Na survival. If you start with small mind and clean hand, you go grow. Today in 20K business, fit turn tomorrow and 2 million brand. No wait make help come from sky. Your time don't reach. Na action go open your way.